Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Today we're going to be doing a tempered glass screen protector install on the Google Pixel 5 5G on this beautiful 1080p flat AMOLED display. It is gorgeous. Just look at that. Look at that wallpaper. I put that wallpaper on my Google Pixel 5 to somewhat match that sort of sage color on the back. Got this beautiful case, this fabric case that you can wash in your washer machine. Yeah, it feels really, really good, solid, gives my Google Pixel 5 the protection that it needs. You know what I'm always saying, protect your investment. And today we're going to protect the display and the camera area. We get some tempered glass protectors for the camera area, so we'll do an install on that area as well. I don't know how to say that name, so I'm just going to make it a Luibor. Tempered glass screen protectors. 9H high definition, silky touch, fingerprint resistant, scratch resistant. Wait, not fully satisfied? If you're not fully satisfied, let us make it right for you. Please contact us at luiborservice@outlook.com. We will do our best to solve your issues. So if you have any issues whatsoever with this product, let them know. They'll take care of you. That's what they're saying. If you're having a positive experience, let them know that as well. So down below in the description area, you'll find a link that will send you on over to Amazon. It is there that you're going to read everything about this product so you feel good about your purchase. Right there, price point. Okay? So without further ado, let's do this. I went ahead and powered down my Google Pixel 5. That way I'm not accidentally opening up apps, folders. It's just going to make it a lot easier. And also with the screen dark like this, when you apply your tempered glass screen protector, you'll be able to see if there's any dust, lint trapped underneath the protector. And, well, then you'll have to pull it back off and give it a wipe down. So then you can reapply it. So what's in the box? Put that to the side. Dear customer, basically this company wants to know if there's going to be any issues with this product. They want to know if the fingerprint cannot be recognized, the screen is too small. In this situation though, we don't have an in-display fingerprint reader. It's on the back, which I'm really digging as far as my Google Pixel 5. If there are bubbles, glass has already fallen off, the screen was broken, missing accessories. So they want a lot of feedback. Stick film installation tools ×3, and you have 3 glass protectors for the camera area. We only need 1, and you should have 3 tempered glass screen protectors, and you do. Okay, or I do. So we'll put that over here. Okay, we're going to open this up. Try to speed up the vid here. Okay, alcohol prep pad, microcloth, and we have these dust stickers. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. I think I'm gonna put something down below here so my Google Pixel 5 doesn't move around too much. Let's go ahead and do this, and I think I'm going to speed up the video, so enjoy the process. And that right there, my friends, is the installation of the Luibor tempered glass screen protector on my Google Pixel 5. And right now it is looking really sharp, looking really good. I am digging it. I'll give you some feedback and let you know how everything's holding up here in a few days. You know, as far as the glass protector adhering to the Google Pixel 5 display, we want that to stay the same. And with the glass protector back here over the cameras as well. But everything looking good. There were a few bubbles. I squeezed those out with my thumbnail. But yeah, everything looking really sharp. I feel good about the protection that I'm going to get on the front as far as the display. And then on the back right here with the cameras. And I have my case from Google here. So we're just going to go ahead and put that on. And yeah, everything looking sharp. Let's go ahead and zoom in on that area, and the case not getting in the way of that glass protector over the camera area. So that's a great thing to see there, because you just don't want the case that you, well, whether it's this case or any case, lifting up that glass protector. But you can see there's plenty of room there. And on the front, just enough gap all the way around so the case does not interfere with the tempered glass screen protector as far as lifting up on the sides or the corners. So yeah, that looks really, really good. All right, that's it, folks. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it very much. Any questions, please leave that down below in the comment section. Again, all the information that you need to know will be in the description area. All right. Thanks for watching. God bless. Peace. Stay safe and healthy. I am out.